Good evening, everyone. So there's been a few questions about governor setup with the CGY 750 and Futaba transmitters. So most of the time, I explained in some writings on the HeliFreak forum. I typically set up normal with a throttle curve, and for the governor to be off, along with throttle hold having the governor off, and then idle up 1, 2, and 3. I'll have the governor on, and I'll put a flatline throttle curve in there in case the governor fails, or not the governor, but the RPM sensor fails. I should have a clue that something's not quite right. So this is a previous config of Synergy N7 I was running. First, I'll show you the throttle curves. I wouldn't accurately use these, but just a bit of an idea. This one here has a flat spot for where the heli hovered at. And then if I wanted to go full throttle, I could do that for tuning. And then here was the flat line curves. Yeah, they were all plus 30. So those are the throttle curves. The important part is actually over here in governor. First up is the mode down here in the bottom right. For this heli, I'd set up 1,000 to 2,000 RPMs. Wasn't going over 2,000 for governed head speed on this heli. And you see it says normal, and I say on but off. So that way it's specifically getting an on signal that's off and not, you can kind of see it over here as an example, inhibited at 1500. No, I specifically wanted to tell the governor it is off. So for rate 1, or for normal, under rate 1, on and then off. You'll see as I go to idle up 1, it is on at 1600 RPM. Idle up 2 was on at 1800. And idle up 3 was on at 1950. Throttle hold. Throttle hold is on, and again off, just like normal mode. So I'll go back through them. Out of throttle hold, back to idle up 3, on at 1950, idle up 2, on at 1800, idle up 1, on at 1600, and normal is on and off. The other part I'll show, this is Servo Monitor. There's a throttle signal, the third one here, and then here under channel 7 is your governor. Channel 8 is actually where the sensor resides. You're not going to see anything going on this channel on the transmitter, but it's going on inside the CGY. Of course, as we watch, when I flip out of normal to the idle ups, there's that 30 signal I remember seeing, and of course there's throttle hold. But you'll also watch the gov here on channel 7 and normal, where we said it was off. You see it's all the way down. But when I go here to idle up 1, it goes the other direction, and then of course as the RPMs go up, so does it. And then of course when throttle hold, it goes all the way back down, giving it the off signal. Yeah, the CGY is giving preference to channel 7 as to what head speed it's going to run the heli at until that RPM sensor isn't feeding back any information. Then it's going to fall back onto your throttle curves. So that's all. Thanks for watching.